We can use yellow sand to make a desert sensory tray, but this can get messy easily and may not be suitable for younger children. For younger children, we can consider using Play-Doh. First, to make the Play-Doh, these are what we need. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. In a separate bowl, mix the wet ingredients. Since we are making a desert Play-Doh, we'll be adding some yellow dye to give it more of a desert look. Over low heat, add the wet mix to the dry mix and stir until a dough is formed. Once the dough is formed, transfer to a tray and knead it until it is pliable. On to assembling the desert Play-Doh tray. For this Play-Doh tray, use common items that you can easily source. Like these pegs, these can be the cacti in the desert. Brown string or twine can be balled up to form tumbleweeds rolling in the desert. And not forgetting my favorites, the glass beads. I love using these glass beads whenever I can in a sensory tray. They just make everything look so much prettier. Our desert Play-Doh tray is ready. Let's play!